guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing another makeup tutorial for you. I'm using a few new products in here that I talk about. So I'm trying out a new foundation and a new lip, and I think that's it. Oh, and the glitter too is new, which I'll talk about. So a lot of new products, first impressions in this video. Be sure to thumbs up, subscribe, all that fun stuff. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Okay, so let's get started. We're going to go ahead and do skin first. And as you can see, I finally tanned. Yes. I love when I do it. I just wish I did it more often. But you know, I don't self-tan my face, so we're going to go in with a darker foundation than we normally do. And I just got this new foundation. It's not new, but you know, I just got it, and actually it's the wrong shade. It is the LA Girl HD Pro Coverage Foundation, and we're going to go ahead in with this because even though the color's natural, it's pretty dark when I swatched it. So I haven't used it. I'm hoping it should match. I'm pretty sure it should match. I'm going to go ahead and boom, boom, 2. It looks to be good, and yeah, this should be good. I mean, this matches like perfect in real life, so we'll see. I'm a little hesitant though, like I've never used this before, so we'll see if it breaks me out for one. But also, it's really like a dewy finish, and I feel it's going to emphasize my couple breakouts that I have. But when it's all said and done, it should be okay. Okay, so foundation is on. Let's go ahead and get started on the eyes, and then we will come back to the face. I'm just going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade Fair. Then we'll just blend that out. So once those are primed, you want to hurry up and set them just like you would your concealer. I'm just using my Airspun powder that you guys know I like, and we're literally just going to set that. I went ahead and used the Carly by Belle palette. We're going to go in with this color here. So let's go ahead and do that. I wanted to do something like sparkly and, you know, shimmery and glowy. So that's what we're doing today. Next, we're going in with this shade here, and we're going in our crease area here. I'm always like doing this when I'm doing makeup, like my shoulders. I don't know why I do that. There's no need. So we're going to bring this up pretty much as high as that first transition shade, and we're bringing it in the corner there. Now let's go ahead in with that deeper shade right here. And we're going to focus that on the outer third of the eye. This is really going to define that outer V area. And I bring it ever so slightly in that inner corner. But you want the most of that color to be on that outer V like that. Sometimes when I do my shadow, I'm like, this looks so shitty. But like once you complete everything, and I swear to God, once you put lashes on, I feel like the lashes make like all the difference. I don't know why, it just kind of ties everything together. So what I'm going to do now is cut the crease, and I used a mixture of the Stila, this is the, I forget what these are called, the Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in Smoldering Satin. I think I got the small sample size, not sample, but the smaller size. And then on top of it, I'll link these again. I used these, I think in my last video or the one before that, these glitter liners that I got off of Amazon. I got like a bunch of colors in them, so I went ahead and put that over it. So let's go ahead and just cut this crease really quickly. Not quickly, because you want to take your time, but you know. So we'll first go ahead, I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape for this. So I take a larger brush and just plop that on like where I absolutely know I need it. I bring mine up a little bit higher than my actual crease. Let's go ahead in with that Stila glitter. These are so freaking beautiful. Look at that. I love these. But I wanted a little bit of purple. That's why I'm going to go in with that Amazon, those liners from the Amazon that I got. So I'm bringing that in. And I'm not going to take it all the way up to where that crease was because I want to be a little bit more defined with that. So I'm going in with seriously like a small, you can kind of see that there. Just going to go in with a small detailing brush and really just carve that out right along that crease line and get that in pretty close to the lash line as well. These are so pretty. So we have that. So let's go ahead. I mean, it looks pretty on its own, but to get that purple tint to it, I'm going to go in with a glitter liner. So I'm just going to go in with a flat brush and pick that up and literally just kind of go over that. See how pretty that is? I actually need to pick up like a purple loose glitter because I don't even have any. I'm also going to pick up a little bit of this shade right here. And I'm going to put it right here just to soften that up just a tad bit. Just to blend it out because we lost a lot of that transition shade. And I'm going to go ahead and do a liner. Let's go ahead and clean up that outer edge. So now that the eyes are basically done, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows and my lashes off camera. The lashes that I'm going to be using are the Ardell 113 Wispies, you know, my all-time favorite. So I'm going to go ahead and apply those, do my brows, and I'll be back. I went ahead and put the lashes on, so now let's finish let's conceal and then we'll finish up the eyes. To conceal, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light. This may be really light, so we'll just use like a little bit just to get some of that coverage and to brighten up that under eye area. Get that coverage. I usually use light sand, but I found that it's a little bit too yellow. Bring it all the way out here. And then we'll hurry up and set the under eyes. I'm going to just bring a little bit down the bridge of my nose, no extra product. But whatever I have left, I'm just going to go ahead and pounce everywhere else. And then we'll bronze in a moment. To set the under eyes, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the color 10 Fair Lights, and really going to bake under this eye. I'm going to leave this to catch any fallout. When we finish that, the bottom of the eyes. And then we'll just wipe it away after to get the sides of the nose. I'm going to take this shade right here first, and then we'll go ahead and take that deeper shade on the outer V area. I'm going to bring it pretty low too. I've been liking that lately. So now let's just define that a little bit with that darker shade from the palette. Right underneath that lash line. And I'm pressing it in and then dragging it. I'm trying to find, I got a new mirror to do my makeup, but it comes up too high and you guys can't even see my face. So I need to get, but I love the magnification on it. So I need to find something a little bit shorter because I can't see. Oh, it's all in my contacts. I hate that. Just to brighten it up a little bit, I'm going to apply the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and this is in the color Strawberry Milk. It's just a light, like, pink shade. So just to brighten up this waterline a little bit, let's go ahead and toss that in here, right there. Let's go ahead in and put lower mascara on. You guys know I like my Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara for my bottom lashes. Let's go ahead and brush away the loose powder that we put under the eyes there. Be careful with your lower lash mascara. I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, because we need to bronze our skin because we finally self-tanned. For blush, I'm going to go in with this City Color Be Matte Blush, and I'm going to take that middle shade just because it has a little bit of a purple undertone. And again, we're going to focus it like on the outside of the cheekbones here. And drag it into the contour. We're going to go ahead and highlight, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Pixie Glow Mist, which almost out of that. Gotta get more of that. This is like my favorite setting spray. Don't breathe, don't breathe. You guys know I always get that in my mouth. And I'm excited because I got the IMovie Z collab highlights, which I'm sure you guys have all seen this. Let's go ahead and do that. Yes, highlight accentuates my texture, but you know, it's okay. What are you gonna do? It's so pretty. I bring it up like almost to my brow too. I'm going to go in with my NYX Suede Lip Pencil in Soft Spoken. Lips are lined. We're going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Craft Liquid Lipstick. Literally found this at, was it TJ Maxx or Marshalls? I think it was, I mean, they're the same thing. Start looking for Anastasia Beverly Hills because they have been having so many products there. That's where I got this, and I also got another one. Yes, this one is in Catnip, and like these are the real thing, and they're like $7.99. God, these are so creamy. Okay, so we got the majority of the product on. So I'm going in with a lip pencil, and we're just going to pick up some of that and get in those edges. And I'm going to top it off with a gloss just because it's a little bit drying, which is fine, but I want a little bit of a shine glossy lip today. This is a Revlon Color Burst. This is Crystal Lilac. I used to be obsessed with this. On top of that. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love how this turned out. It's very sparkly, very purple, hence the shirt. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!